Hi, my name is Ron Kramer, practicing personal injury law in the state of Utah. Today's video tip is what do I do with an adjuster who's calling me on the phone? Maybe you've been recently involved in a car accident and it wasn't your fault. You're rear-ended or sideswiped or T-boned, and you're in pain, you're hurt, and it wasn't your fault. And now the insurance company for the at-fault driver is calling you. What do? Do you take the call? What do you say? Should you even be talking to the adjuster? A lot of people have questions when that happens in that situation. Now, first thing you need to keep in mind is that the insurance company is not your friend. They are there to minimize the amount of money that they have to pay out on this particular claim. So one of the things they want to do early on in a case is to get a recorded statement from the victim of the car accident, find out how it happened, and try to get anything from them that they can later use against them. For example, if they say something, if they're asked a question, what are your injuries? And they say, well, my neck hurts really bad. And then later down the road, they find out that their back has been injured. Maybe there's a herniated disc. The adjuster can use that recorded statement and say, look, when we talked to you before, you didn't talk about any back pain. You didn't talk about any shoulder pain or any knee pain. And you say, well, I didn't know about it then. You know, the neck pain was so intense, I didn't know I had lower back pain. They said, well, if you were really legitimately hurt from this, you would have complained about it early on. So you got to keep in mind that the insurance company will be using this against you, and that's why they record it. It's not just a fact-finding expedition for them. Otherwise, they'd be there with a notepad and just writing down notes and things like that. But they record it so they could turn around and get it transcribed and use it against you and compare your later claim with what you told them initially. So if you've been involved in a car accident and the adjuster is calling you, you need to keep that in mind, that they're looking for ammunition to use against you. So if you do need to talk to the insurance adjuster, maybe to get your wrecked car claim processed or to get fair value for your wrecked car, then you need to stick to the basics of what happened in that crash. Try not to get into the nature of your injuries. And if they do ask about that and are insistent, you can be broad and say, look, I'm injured. I don't know the full extent. I do know right now my neck is hurting, my shoulder is hurting, and I'm sure other things will, as I go throughout my day, I'm sure I'll notice other things as well. If you have any questions on what to say to the insurance company beyond that, talk to an experienced Utah accident attorney. Most accident attorneys offer free consultation, and you could probably talk to one over the phone and say, look, someone's calling, what should I do? In our office, we offer a free 30-minute consultation. Give us a call, 553-8840, and request yours today. My name is Ron Kramer. Thanks for watching.